Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2017 Toyota Corolla IM hatchback. Power for this Corolla comes from a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder engine matted to an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. It is riding on 17-inch alloy wheels, and from the side we've got the contrasting black trim, color-matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. And up front we are going to find the color matched bumper with the black grille. Inside we have tons of great features too, so let's hop right in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, if we take a look at the door panel over here, we've got our power locks, windows and mirrors, and our quick button for our forward collision alert. And over here on the right, we're going to find our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And then over here on the left is your quick button for your lane departure alert and your trip meter and different info you can access up on the dash. Moving on over to the center console, we have a backup camera and AM/FM stereo, as well as Bluetooth. And then moving down, we're going to find our electronic climate control with air conditioning, and we do have the dual zone climate control here as well, and our rear window defrost with heated mirrors. Taking a look at the center console right here, we're going to find our traction control and sport mode. So let's hop out and we can take a look at what's going on around back and what we have for trunk space. So moving around back, up at the top, we've got our color matched rear mounted shark fin antenna and our color matched rear spoiler. Back here you're also going to find your Toyota and your IM badging, and the rear wiper blade, which is awesome in our BC weather. To get in, you're just going to make sure your vehicle is unlocked, and to the right of the backup camera, we'll just hit the button and pull it up. We've got a decent amount of trunk space in here, and we do have the all-weather rubber matting throughout, but we do have these nice fresh upholstery mats with the IM branding if you would prefer. Those back seats do fold down 60/40, so you do have the option of expanding your cargo space while still carrying passengers. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2017 Toyota Corolla IM hatchback with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, you can come visit us at 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can call us Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this car and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.